Take a ride in the 2019 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, passenger airbag, Bluetooth, automatic transmission, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, compass, fog lamps, heated driver's seat. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.